Many well-wishers, groups and Samaritans have rendered help to the people in need, especially rice and few food items, ever since the anti-coronavirus lockdown came into force on March 25th. However, one group of well-wishers came together by implementing a unique initiative that has enabled them to distribute many essential items to each needy family. The initiative came through senior advocate Sunil Agarwal and his friend Dinesh Kumar Dixit, and they were joined by a number of well-wishers who supported this good cause, including East Shillong MLA Amparin Lingdo and few other unnamed individuals. On Sunday, the 37 essential items, except rice, were distributed to more than 250 needy families of Happy Valley and nearby areas, and the beneficiaries were identified irrespective of caste, creed or religion, following a house-to-house survey. Various items were kept in each counter, and the beneficiaries worked to collect the essential items from all the 28 counters by maintaining social distance.
जिसके पास कूपन नहीं है वो कृपया करके घर पे जाए, सेकंड उसको फेस में दिया जाएगा, हर फेस में दिया जाएगा।
Apart from various indirect schemes introduced by the government, we in a locality have come together socially, maintaining distance to fulfill the immediate requirements of the people around. The essentials, the necessities immediately required in the household in the day-to-day usage, which was really being a scarcity in the locality by now because of the 2 months lockdown almost, and fulfilling the home requirements. So stay safe, maintain distance, and this is the time to protect yourself from this virus which is spreading without being seen, and we can save ourselves by maintaining only social distance.
So you can see today, like we have put all together 28 counters, putting different vegetables, fruits, all needy items, and you will find like we have not put the rice today because lots of rice we have already distributed in the entire locality, not only in Happy Valley locality. We have gone to some other locality also door to door to drop the ration to the needy family. And today, suddenly a week back, we thought to do something different. So the idea came in our mind like we will distribute some other needy things. So likewise, we have decided to distribute the vegetables, fruits, and salt, sugar, turmeric powder, ginger, garlic, and all those things. So, and secondly, due to this corona, of course, people are made to sit at home. But most of the people, they cannot go to the work site, especially the labor class people and all. So we thought that irrespective of caste, creed, race and religion, we are distributing these essential commodities to all the needy peoples. And to avoid the overcrowding during the distribution, we ensured that we find out the needy people, and we have gone door to door to find out like who are the actually needy. And accordingly, after finding out, we have distributed them the token and have requested them to come today along with the token. And once they are coming with the token, they are picking up the items of their own. We have put the counter, different counter. So our motive is that to help the needy people, and in near future also we'll keep on helping the needy people. And in fact, we are thankful to media also that media has come forward. But our intention is not to project ourselves in the media. Our intention is that through media, if the media can send this message to the whole community throughout the state of Meghalaya, in case if we can be of any help to them, we are always there. They can contact us. We'll definitely feel very proud if we can do something for the needy people. That's our message for people. Here we have given the token to almost 250 families. And the families include from all the caste communities. They are from different communities. So they all have come today to collect the rations, essential commodities, and all of them are very happy, and we really feel happy to see a smile on their face. Our intention is to see the smile on the face of the people. So that is what we want, that everybody should smile and God keep them healthy and happy.